Hey everybody, this is DayTraderRockStar. This is a video going out to Nicholas Johansson, who sent in a Twitter question. We were talking about Panera Bread today, and he made a mention of how the entry was so good. It was a really good entry, a good level. When I sent out the alert, he wanted to know more about how do I come to that call. Basically, I think we were discussing this live on the radio as it was going on, so he might have missed that part. But we're always looking at we're looking at our methodology. We're looking at certain areas to line up. And I think on the Panera Bread, first thing I noticed, it's a quality name. It's pulled way back off the highs. Actually, the last time we looked at it was they actually had an upgrade, and it eventually sold off, and it got hit down. But when it came down to an important level, there's really two big pivot areas back here that are pointed out. And actually, we're not going to lose that one up here at that gap. We kind of gapped up, held that level. You can see how let the lines talk to you. If there's definitely a direct relationship between some of these pivots and stuff, and you can see a little gap there and it's holding. This is really the key area. So right when we saw the price down to that level, that was one big indication. The second, key here was a divergence. It's actually it's a mathematical divergence. We start to see the stochastics here rotate back up as the price makes lower lows. And we have this higher low being put in versus the lower low on the price. So the combination of those two right there just makes it an entry. And then you could break that down and look at that 5-minute chart. And this trend line is really that was it. This was the main reason that we sent it out. I said it's right on this trend line. It's it kind of came down to it, bounced a little bit above it, and then we came back down to it again, causing that divergence. But that trend line is right there, perfect. So we have a trend line, we have a 60-minute time frame that's positive, we have a daily that's just possibly turning back up, we have a decent reversal candle. I think there's a good probability that this continues higher tomorrow. I think this is a great level for this one. And I'll probably end up, I didn't pull the trigger on it. I was getting some other stuff and I was watching it and I never pulled the trigger. I think I will pull the trigger on this though tomorrow. All right, so that's going out to Nicholas. Hope you enjoyed that video. And I'll try to do this more often. So if you have questions, you want to bring it on Twitter and ask for like a video, because normally I'm talking on the radio expecting you to listen to me. But if it's after markets or something, I feel like I miss you. Maybe I'll take the extra effort to kind of get you out of video. So hope you enjoyed that. See you in the markets.